Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us. Today we will cover some codes, guys. If you have a code on your vehicle such as P0351 all the way until like P0358, it means that most likely you have a bad ignition coil or connection to the ignition coil. So we have that Toyota Sienna 2011 model, okay, and we are going to show you guys the code that we got for it. It's P0356. The last digit of the code, guys, corresponds to the cylinder number. Okay, that's what we have. Engine light on, and we have P0356 ignition coil F. Okay, sometimes they might call it A, B, C, D, E, F because different companies use different ones. So it could be ignition coil 1, ignition coil 2, or it could be ignition coil A or B. Engine light is on. So what we're going to do, turn the ignition off, okay? And we're going to replace the ignition coil. This is number 6, cylinder number 6 on it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. Okay, this is just a 10mm nut there. Replace the ignition coil and see if that fixes our problem. Always check that connection right here, guys, because it might be loose. Okay, so we need to pull it up. Okay, and this is the ignition coil on this vehicle. Most of them are pretty easy to remove or replace. We have one from a used parts car, okay, so we're going to use it and see if it's going to work now. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. We need to install the bolt, install the wire. Okay, and we'll need to make sure that we put our engine cover on. If you have one, don't forget to put it on when you're done with the repair. Okay, and I'm going to go on the inside and delete the code now. Okay, so we're right here now, and I'm going to go back. Okay, escape again, erase codes. Okay, are you sure you want to erase? We say yes, the code has been erased. So we're going to turn the ignition off, back on. Let's start the car. No engine light on. Okay, so that's it, guys. Those are the codes. P0351 means cylinder 1 ignition coil, P0352 is number 2, and so on and so on. So hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.